Good day to each and everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about ester bond and urea cycle. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Makabenta Widad. So first that I will discuss is ester bond. Ester bond is a type of covalent bond formed when an acid reacts with an alcohol. This process is called esterification and it usually produces ester. Ester bond daw is the type of chemical that forms when an acid and alcohol join together or combine together and release water, and yung natitira ng molecules is that what we call ester bond. This is important because they allow cell to store energy. They make fats, oil, hydrophobic, or the water repelling, which is key for cell membrane. Without the ester bond, our body could not properly build lipids. So the next one is urea cycle. Urea cycle, also known as the ornithine cycle, is a metabolic process in the liver where toxic ammonia is converted into urea, which is excreted in the urine. This cycle helps the body safely remove nitrogen waste produced from breaking down proteins. Urea cycle daw is kapag kumakain tayo ng pagkain na may protina tulad ng karne, isda, itlog, gatas, ito ay binabasag ng katawan para gawing amino acid. Ang amino acid ay ginagamit para sa kalamanan, hormones at enzymes. Pero kapag sobra, ang amino acid ay nasisira at naglalabas ng ammonia. Ang ammonia ay napakalason to. Kahit kaunting dami ay makakasira sa utak. Kaya ginawa ng katawan ang urea cycle bilang paraan para gawing ligtas ang ammonia. Ginagawang urea or let's say nilalabas sa ihi. And that's all.